Here we will see regular expression functions in Python. Python provides the array module to work with regular expressions. These functions are used for searching patterns, matching text, replacing content, and splitting strings. Python provides several key advantages with regular expression functions for text processing ranging from coding and efficiency to cross-language consistency. Regex functions are classified into different types like core regex functions, modification functions, pattern handling functions, match object methods, and flags. First is core regex function. These functions allow user to search, match, and manipulate strings based on specific patterns. Examples of core regex functions are search, find all, match, sub, split, and compile. We will use all these functions with RE module. Then modification functions. These functions are used to modify strings by finding and replacing patterns or splitting text into parts. Modification functions are sub, subband, and split. These functions are also used with RE module. Then pattern handling functions. The RE module provides several functions to find patterns within strings. For example, search, match, find all, find teacher, and full match. Then match object methods. A match object method returns when match object functions is used. If no match is found, this function returns none. Examples are group, start, end, and span. And flags. Flags are optional parameters that modify how a regular expression pattern is interpreted and matched. You can apply them as an arguments to most regex functions or embedded them directly within the pattern. Examples of flags are ignore case, multiline, and dot all.